You're watching Daddy DIY. Alright, welcome to another episode of Daddy DIY. Today we will be unboxing this key fob that I got from Amazon. It's not actually a key fob, it's a key fob cover for my Cadillac. It's a cover with a metal braided rope keychain, upgraded soft TUP surface grain key case for Cadillac Escalade, CTS, SRX, XT5, or the ATS. It has all 5 buttons for the key fob shell. The one I went with is red and black, and if you search through Amazon, you can find it in other colors and for other vehicles as well. Alright, so here it is, $15.99 plus shipping, and it came the next day. So let's get into the opening and unboxing and review. Here's my old key fob, and you can see why I'm replacing it. The graphics are starting to peel off. The key is coming loose. I have it taped up, and it just really looks bad. So this soft shell cover will go on top of my key fob and replace it. So here it comes with a rope, braided rope chain that you can use, or these metal loops that can go on a keychain, or it has 3 options for how you want to hang it and use your key. So choose the one that's best for you and then get it attached. It comes with this plastic thing to help you get your key fob open and get the soft shell case onto the key fob to get the edges smooth. Has this little screwdriver that also comes with it, so you can tighten and loosen any of the screw pieces that come with it. All right, so as we get the cover off the key fob here, you can see it's soft, it's bendable. It comes in 2 pieces here. The top piece here will go directly over your key fob, and it matches with your key fob exactly. All right, here it is. Try to get it in some good light here, so you can see that it has all the graphics that you need to recognize what buttons you're pushing. And then the back is solid black here, and it's not hard plastic, but it's a tougher plastic than the front. The front is very soft and bendable, and the back is a little stiffer plastic. So this screwdriver is for the metal pieces that you have to screw on for your keychain. Now I was gonna remove the tape, but I'm just gonna leave it just like it is, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this keychain ring that I had on my key, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and install the fob directly on top of my key, exactly how I have it now. So as you can see here, you just pop it right into the soft shell, and there you go, boom, it's in there. And now you put the back in, you put it, just force it in there, get it under that little lip. It's not hard, very self-explanatory. You can use the little plastic, guitar pick that they gave you in the kit to try to assist you, but I was able to do this with just my fingers. Sorry that I got it out of the camera view here, but as you can see, I'm just popping it in, using my fingers to work around those edges and get it under the soft shell part, and that's what holds the metal black piece off. So here is how you can use the plastic piece just to make sure it's all in and smooth around, and there you go. Less than a minute, I have the whole key fob in and covered, and it looks not even like new, it looks better than new. My Cadillac interior is red and black, So that's why I chose this, and it matches perfectly. From here, you're really done. If you're just one of those key fob people who throw it in your pocket, you can throw it in your pocket and be done. But it comes with these little different key ring attachments that you can use the screwdriver to attach those. Like this one, you screw out, put it through the key fob hole ring, and then you would screw it back in. So again, like I said, just choose the one that works best for you, and you'll be good to go. I eventually used the rope. I was just kind of playing with these to see, how they work, with what it looked like if I wanted to use this one. I eventually took this one off, and I went with the braided rope. So yeah, I got this off of Amazon, $15.99, and it solved my issue with my key fob being not unusable, just not sightly. Like I said, the graphics were peeling off, the rubber was coming loose, and it just helps me to have a better looking key and distinguish between my other Cadillacs. The keys are kind of similar, but with a glance I can tell now that this goes to my CTS because it's red and black, just like the interior on my red and black Cadillac CTS. Alright, so if you like this, give a like, thumbs up, please subscribe to the video. Keep watching for more unboxings and DIY type videos. This is Daddy DIY, and again, I got this off of Amazon for $15.99 as of December 2nd of 2024 is when I purchased this. Daddy DIY, the channel of arts, crafts, and do-it-yourself projects. Keep watching for more videos from me, Daddy DIY.